So gumaan yung pakiramdam mo nung when you came out, and ngayon ba paano mas malakas ka ba ngayon kapag may discrimination? Do you still feel it?
Yung discrimination ngayon for me, ako may alam, sila wala. So I have the knowledge, I have the power.
Mm.
Despite of them judging me, binabatuan ko na lang sila ng knowledge. Binabatuan ko sila ng something that they would know. I mean, I'm not wishing, pero when it happened to their close friend or ano, they have that kind of knowledge na ito yung ways ko para sa tulungan.
Ano yung nagpalakas sa loob mo na hindi, I will not end my life, I will continue living my life, and I will be proud of it. I will do these testimonies, I will come out. Ano yung nagpalakas sa loob mo?
Nung nag-testimonial ako dun sa isang HIV 101, there are several people who came to me. Parang they started to open their HIV life then as well. Actually, nag-start ako nag-volunteer way back nung kakadiagnose ko lang sa RITM. I hear stories that really inspire me to live more or to do more. Yung mga pasok na napagaan ko pa. Kaya siguro yung moments lang din na nagme-message sa akin yung moms nila. Kasi namatay na yung anak nila because of HIV. Because of AIDS, lumala na sana daw matagal na nila ako nakilala, siguro natulungan pa nila yung anak nila. So yung mga moments na gano'n na parang no one needs to die because there is already treatment, it's givenly free, there is a support system. Kailangan lang talaga nilang tibayan at magkaroon sila ng tipo na they have to let themselves be open a little. Kahit hindi fully open, like me, have that kind of openness to talk to someone that would really understand.
Dati sabi mo, nag-come out ka for yourself. Pero ngayon, mukhang hindi na lang for yourself, kaya ka nag-come out.
Actually, to be honest, Miss Kasi, sabi ko sa sarili ko, parang gusto ko na tumigil na mag-advocate kasi nakakapagod din. Minsan, there are times na hindi ko masagot yung mga messages and everything. Pero wala eh. Like, parang it's natural for me to continue what I'm currently doing.
Kasi?
I want to save more lives than just saving myself. Pati mga taga-India, nagme-message sa akin, mga taga-ibang countries. Whenever you touch a person's life, it will impact them until they die. And that's one thing na gustong-gusto kong mangyari na kahit papano, I made a great purpose. Kahit mategi na ako today, okay lang. Kasi I already made an impact and I know if I die, someone will continue.
And you're saving lives, hindi dahil nagbibigay ka ng gamot or hindi dahil doktor ka. You're saving lives because you're showing people that there is life after HIV.
Yes po.
Hindi natin sila dapat husgahan.
Hindi talaga hadlang sa HIV. Marami rin po nagtatanong sa akin, pwede ba talagang mag-travel, going other countries, dala-dala yung meds.
Kagagaling mo lang ng Thailand.
Yes, kakagaling ko lang ng Thailand. So, pwedeng-pwede. Ang dami nga po nagtatanong nun. There are certain restrictions if you will be working in a certain country. Pero travel is life.
Pwede mag-sports?
Pwede mag-sports. I do free dive po. Nagpa-free diving.
Amazing!
Do sports, everything, running, work full-time. Hindi kasama sa work application or sa health examination ang HIV testing. So they don't have to worry